Okay, so this video is to help you find the equation of a line, which is, again, it's going to be in y equals mx plus b form. And this time you're going to be given 2 points. Now, to be brutally honest, this is the exact same thing as what you did yesterday. Yesterday, you were given it in a table, all right? And if you just think about the fact that this can be put into a table, and that can also be put into a table, you're going to do the exact same thing you did yesterday. You're going to find the change of y, when this in this case is adding 2, and the change of x, which in this case is adding 1. If you remember, m is just the change of y over the change of x, in this case 2. Then you just have to pick one of these points. It does not matter which one, right? When I did this video yesterday, I highlighted the one I was going to use. So now I have an m, I have an x, and I have a y. So let's plug that stuff in and we'll figure out what b is. So I have a y, an m that I just figured out, the x that I chose from the table, plus b. So this means that 3 equals 2 plus b. And you all know at that point that b is 1. So now that I have an m and a b, I can write the equation of the line. It is y equals mx plus b. Okay, so you're going to do all of these the exact same way. You're going to set up just a little table with your 2 ordered pairs. I have 1, 3 this time and -1, 5. You're going to figure out the change of y, which in this case is plus 2. And the change of x, this is also plus 2. So since m is the change of y over the change of x, this one is just a 1. All right, then you're going to pick one of the ordered pairs. It does not matter which one. All right, literally all you're picking is an x and a y so that you can plug into this equation. All right, so let's see, y is 3, m is 1, x is 1 plus b. So this says that 3 is equal to 1 plus b. So that means that b is 2. And then once you have m and b, you have everything. Y equals 1x plus 2. Or you could write that as y equals x plus 2. All right, scooting it up. And again, doing the same thing over and over and over. You will put the 2 ordered pairs, 1 and -2, 2 and 1, into a table so that you can easily figure out the change of y, in this case adding 3, and the change of x, this is adding 1. The slope is the change of y over the change of x. So this in this case is 3. You're going to pick one of the ordered pairs, doesn't matter which one. Let me write the equation. Y equals mx plus b. All right, so y is -2, m is 3, x is 1. So that means that -2 is equal to 3 plus b. Subtracting 3, you can see that b is -5. All right, and again, once you know m and b, you've got the entire equation. All right, for this next one, again, setting up my little table, my x and y, and my x and my y. All right, so change of y is 0. Interesting. Change of x is 1, which means when I do the change of y over the change of x, I get 0. All right, so let's pick one of these ordered pairs. I think I'm going to pick that one. So now I've got y equals mx plus b. The y value I picked is 3. M is 0. X is 2. When I multiply this, I get 3 equals 0 plus b, or b equals 3. So then here's the equation. Y equals mx plus b. You could also just write that as y equals 3. Okay, let's try another. X and y. All right, so I've got -3 and -2 along with 3, 0. All right, the change of y from -2 to 0 is adding 2. The change of x from -3 to +3 is adding 6, which means my m equals, let's see, change of y over change of x. That's 2/6. If you have your calculator, you can reduce. That's 1/3. All right, and I am going to pick this ordered pair, mostly because anytime you have a 0 that you get to plug in, it tends to make things just a little easier. All right, so here we go. Y equals mx plus b. All right, the y value is 0. M is 1/3. X is 3. Multiplying 1/3 times 3, you get 1. And moving this to the other side, you get b is -1. So here's my equation. Y equals 1/3 x minus 1. Okay, last problem. All right, my ordered pairs are 2, -2, and 0, 1. All right, so from -2 to +1 is a change of 3. From 2 to 0 is a change of -2. So my slope is the change of y of the change of x. That's -3/2. All right, and then do you remember when we did tables yesterday? And if we had a 0 in the x part, then this number was the y-intercept. So this one's actually pretty nice. I already know right now, no computation necessary. I know that b is 1. So here's the equation. Y equals -3/2 x plus 1. All right, hope that made sense. Hope to see you soon.